Well, y'all, welcome back to Hollow Boys Garage. Well, we got them again. Like I said in the update video, we got two builds going on. So it's going to be interesting. So I'm going to give you a walk around of one of them. Still waiting for the Crown Vic for another. So when that one gets here, we'll show you that one. But for now, here's this. A little backstory of it. It's 1972, going on 08 Crown Vic. So it'd be just like built like the blue ones, you know, the red one, the 69. But just wanted to give you all an update and show you all what it looks like. Here we go. It's a long bed. So, like before, we're going to cut and shorten it. Gentleman wants all factory interior, or not this, Crown Vic interior. So, bye-bye to all this. Be all Crown Vic on the inside. And we'll be doing everything else like before. Swapping it out, stitching it back together, making it a good runner. There's this Crown Vic. Right there's the other one, y'all. I ain't really supposed to show it to you, but yeah, you can kind of see it. Basic Crown Vic, y'all. But runs good. Frame. Body. Meet together. Soon to be. A little short video, y'all. Just give y'all a little walk around. All right, you. We appreciate y'all. We appreciate you being patient with us. Still gonna be working on some merch ideas to get out to y'all. Once that happens, you know, we'll go from there. It'll probably be more of a pre-order setup. So once I reach a certain amount of, you know, t-shirts that are required for the printer to go ahead and print them, we'll go ahead then and put the order in, and then we'll go from there. But I'll get y'all a design out here soon. Well, we appreciate y'all. We'll holler at you in the next one. We watch Roadkill. Big fans of it. I finally officially know what Mike and David mean by the smell of putrid rat piss. Holy crap, y'all. This one is bad. Don't look bad on the inside, but there's some rat turds, all the stuff to go along with it. Oh, we got some nice stuff on the ground, some good old doo-doo pellets. I tell you, this one doesn't smell pleasant. Don't smell pleasant at all. Yeah. Just want to fill y'all in with that. Maybe if it had smell-o-vision, I'm pretty sure y'all would really enjoy it. All right, y'all. I'll let you in a minute. Be back in a minute. Same day. Just want to give y'all a little update on what we did in the past hour and a half. So, ain't much. Nothing big, but just want to let y'all know. Sorry for my hand. But here it is. Front clip is off. We already cut the front course support up. Lighting sucks because it's nighttime here. Sorry about that. There you go.
There we go.
It's off. It's all piled up over there, ready. Homemade light holder. But enough rambling. We got all that off. Took about an hour and a half. We'll move on with it in the next couple days. But once we do that, I'll update y'all. All right, y'all. Appreciate you. I'll let you later. Well, y'all, it's getting dark here. But, as you see, progress was made. Cab is off. Currently right there to be moved to his next location for trimming up and fitting plans. Bed is almost cut off. We're moving that next. Just giving y'all a little update. All right, y'all. I'll let you in a little bit. Well, y'all, cab, bed, truck, Crown Vic back there. All right, y'all. We appreciate y'all. And we'll catch you up here in a little bit. Whew. Well, y'all, there she is. Completely off the frame, sitting there. ready for the next journey. Just figured I'd give you all a look of what it looked like just sitting on the ground. We got the bed. Oh, what's that? Yeah, it's chopped out. We don't play. We know what we're doing. Uh-huh. We'll do all the final cuts and trimming on it. And dash. All that will be in another video. But just kind of wanted to give you all a heads up on this. All right, y'all. We appreciate you. We'll holler in the next one. All right, y'all. Give you a little update here. It's been a few days since we've done anything to the vehicles. Been working. My job does keep me quite busy. My son, he is in college for automotive, and he does work also. So we've been working it on our downtimes. Maybe in the background you'll see that white Mustang there. Well, we had a timing chain guides fail on it, so that's another project for us. It's my daily driver. But I'm gonna give you a walk around real quick of the vehicle, or the Crown Vic, and show you what we've been up to. All right, y'all. There's gonna be a longer video on this. This is just a quick little update. We cut this car, we take the whole entire piece off at once, right? If you wanted more, you got to chop this car up in pieces, please refer to my previous videos, the blue truck and the red one. We show you how to do it. We show you where we cut, or refer to Nathan's Garage. He shows you this in pieces and shows you how to do it, because that's what he has to do. He's by himself. I have my son, and we're able to do it. So, quick rundown. B pillars are cut. A pillars are cut. We notched here. We run up to the back side. We take the back support, remove it. We follow the back seam down and around. Make sure you don't cut into the lines on both sides and the wiring. Come down here, body mounts. We notch here. We cut the frame off right here because we know how much we exactly need. Again, we've done this 3 times, y'all. Again, we follow it into here, chop this support out, cut that support, follow it up, come back down, B pillar, A pillar, up, A pillar, right there. And then from there, we vacate debought. Makes it easier for us, makes it easier for the scrap man. We take it all off of one piece, put it on the ground, he pulls his trailer up, boop, boop, done, out of here. No pieces laying around. And he'll come around and pick up these other little goodies I have laying here in my junkyard, which is actually my house. I have a very loving and understanding wife, y'all. Yeah. Sometimes she does tell me to clean up, so you got to do it. But in between there, she lets me have fun. Like this. Excuse the hand. I'm trying to get used to it on this phone. But longer video of it coming up.